Need belt diagram for a Snapper NXT 42-inch deck.
I'll do all I can to help. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
Replacing mower belt.
Is there anything else the small engine technician should be aware of?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the small engine technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Do you have the full model number for the unit? NXT does not identify the exact model.
###.
https://www.partstree.com/parts/snapper/mowers lawn garden tractor/NXT1954226908446 snapper 42 lawn tractor 19 to 5 horsepower NXT 200 LT 125 series/42 mower deck clutch group/. This has nice diagram.
This is the way I put it on, but it keeps throwing it off. Maybe have the wrong size belt.
Did you close the belt guides up close to the pulleys, so the belt can come out? Snapper ###M replaces ###V belt, 94.45 and quad, long, a wedge. Belt shows to be 94.45 inches.
Yep. It's working now. Think I just didn't get it on pulley just right. Thanks.
Thank you. Please rate to close and get me credit. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.